Alright guys, welcome for the Thursday directions video. For the attendance piece, guys, for you, when you say like here in the attendance part, you have to be in the time slot of your normal class. So if you message me like an hour after our class is already done, that doesn't count. If you message me like at 10 o'clock at night, that doesn't count. So make sure you're actually checking in during your time slot, or at least have it already um, done beforehand. I don't care if you check in at 8 o'clock and your class is 11, but I do care if you check in at like 4 o'clock and your class was at 11. So make sure you're at least before or during your hour, preferably before your hour, because I do take attendance right away. So keep that in mind. Um, Moving forward here, we are done learning some of the new stuff. We wrapped up yesterday with the origins of Judaism, and our big thing on that was the Torah and Abraham. You'll see those two items on the quiz, so keep those in mind. Today we're starting our review. We'll be reviewing today, Friday, and on Monday. The Monday people will take the quiz, and on Tuesday, the Tuesday people will take the quiz. So here's your assignment today. It's a CRT for you that have had me before. So it's pretty simple. With a CRT, guys, I just put up the whole article link on here because there's like videos that are embedded if you want to review that way as well. But basically, this is just an article. It goes through the entire history of ancient Egypt. It's not hard to read. It goes pretty fast. And obviously, it covers a lot of the stuff that we have been looking at. All right, so read through this. It'll take you maybe 5-10 minutes. Once you're done with that, then you do the CRT. Now, for the CRT, you're not going to be able to write on it or file and make a copy on this one. So for this one, just make a blank Google Doc and just, type out, the layout, and you'll be good to go. Or you could just handwrite it and take a picture and turn it in. Okay, but you're not going to be able to kind of write on this, so don't ask for permission or request or anything like that. And then you just answer the question. So after you're done reading the article, what was the main part of the article? List 3 important facts from the article. List 2 questions you have after the article. And using specific examples, how does the article fit in with what you're studying? 10 points, nothing too crazy. Most of you guys have done it before with me. But it's just making sure that we're comprehending what we're reading. All right, because again, this is the part of the review day. So now things start to we're kind of winding down here. All right, which means we'll be taking our, obviously we're taking our quiz next week. So now it's time to kind of jog the memory back for the stuff that we talked about all the way at the beginning, and kind of refining the stuff that we just learned about recently. But that's it, guys. CRT due today, due tomorrow, I should say, 8 a.m. Your Origins of Judaism reading guide is due today, 8 a.m. I'm going to grade that today. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Have a good one. I will see you guys tomorrow. Remember now, we do have our Zoom meeting tomorrow. Okay? And you have to check your email, because remember, we have special times on Friday because we're only in class we only do our Zoom meeting for like 20 minutes. So make sure you check back that email that Johnson sent you like a month ago, 2 months ago now, to figure out what time you are at. I have to look too. I don't even know off the top of my head. So I have to go back and look too. So Zoom meeting tomorrow will be the attendance. And obviously, I'll give you guys the study guide there. You can ask questions because we're going to be doing a review. So it's kind of your last chance to get any information out of me. All right, guys, that's all I got. Talk to you later.